What do you do every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get dressed and make my bed. I get dressed and make my bed. I eat breakfast, like toast or cereal. I eat breakfast, like toast or cereal. I brush my teeth before school. I brush my teeth before school. I drink milk or juice with breakfast. I drink milk or juice with breakfast. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. I greet my teacher, Ms. Smith. I greet my teacher, Ms. Smith. I learn new things in class. I learn new things in class. I play with friends at recess. I play with friends at recess. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I read a book in the library. I read a book in the library. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I answer questions in class. I answer questions in class. I practice math problems. I practice math problems. I draw a picture in art class. I draw a picture in art class. I sing a song in music class. I sing a song in music class. I say goodbye to my teacher. I say goodbye to my teacher. I walk home from school. I walk home from school. I eat a snack after school. I eat a snack after school. I play outside with friends. I play outside with friends. I watch TV for a little while. I watch TV for a little while. I help set the dinner table. I help set the dinner table. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I take a shower or bath before bed. I take a shower or bath before bed. I brush my teeth and get in pajamas. I brush my teeth and get in pajamas. I read a bedtime story. I read a bedtime story. I say goodnight to my family. I say goodnight to my family. I practice English for 15 minutes. I practice English for 15 minutes. I go to sleep at 9 p.m. I go to sleep at 9 p.m.